Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Yepoda full skincare routine. I bought the whole set that you can buy of 7 products that I'm going to share with you today. I'm a mature skin as well, so I'm 49, so a lot of these have been tested out on kind of like younger girls maybe, but not so much on slightly mature skin. I haven't really got anything on my face. I haven't washed my face today either, so we're going to go and see about that as well. So we're going to kind of do like a day routine right now, and we're going to see what that's all about. So if you know a little bit about K-beauty, it is Korean beauty. It is really massively trending at the moment on social media. It's to give you the perfect glass skin. We're going to go into looking at every product individually. First up, we have the Yepoda Calm Balm. This is going to be the product that's going to melt your makeup if you've got waterproof makeup. This is going to be the product that's going to melt all your daytime makeup if you're doing it as a nighttime routine. I'm doing it in the morning. I'm just going to get rid of residue that's probably on there from like sleeping, like sweat or whatever that you've got on your face. So you can use it with a little spatula, or you can get some with your finger, and you literally rub the product in between your hands, and then the product goes like liquefied like that, and we're going to be putting it on the face. You can add a little bit of water, and then what we're going to do is we're going to just wipe it off with a damp face flannel towel. So my face is feeling super fresh now. It's really good. It's got the instructions on the back there as well, and it also comes numbered. So if you want to build your own, this one's obviously number 1. If you want to build your own routine, you can using the products that they have available. So it actually tells you which order to use them in. It's completely cruelty free as well. So we're moving on now to the Double Bubble. And this is gonna completely sort of cleanse the skin again. You can do your neck as well. Oh, this feels so soft. I'm not gonna lie, it feels lovely. This is like a double cleanse. So obviously using the first one to get off all the residue, and then this one's kind of tidying it. This one's kind of cleaning all your skin out. Right, next up we have the Mist Have. This is a hyaluronic acid face mist that's going to help hydrate. Then with my pack, I've actually picked up the Depuff Eyespresso Eye Pads. These are just to help sort of, you know, a little bit of puffiness under the eyes. So we're going to try those out as well. So it does say to leave these on for like 15 to 20 minutes, so we're going to give it a little bit of time. I'll be back with you in a second. Right, so it's been about 20 minutes now. I'm going to take these off. So next up is the Repair Hero. This is a niacinamide for the skin. Again, it helps with the hydration. Literally puts the youth back in the skin. So it says to take about 3 drops. We're just going to pop some. This feels so like smoothing to the skin. Oh, it feels good. What's good about these as well is some of the products as well, if you look online, you can get refillables. So you can keep your existing like bottle or whatever and just fill it up, which is actually works out a little bit cheaper, which is brilliant, and obviously it saves on packaging and whatnot as well. So that is so nice. Right, we're almost to the end of the little routine. You can use the little paw pads as well. I don't have that in this collection. This wasn't part of that collection. But you can buy additional bits to add to this, to add to your routine. Like I said, you can build the routine however you want. So next up we have one of 2 things. So if it's night time, then it would be the the Midnight Magic, which would be this one, and this one, it's a lavender sleeping mask. Again, it's going to help put moisture back in the face. So then you've got the Make My Day cream, and this is going to finish it off for the day. You can add after that an SPF if you're interested in adding that onto the routine. That'd probably be something that I would like. I think you do that last. And there we have it. Just to give you a bit of a close-up of my skin now, you can see how it's got that lovely light sheen to it, and it doesn't feel like, it just feels nice. It's the perfect sort of foundation now to put your foundation on. But yeah, that's it, which I think is really good. So that's it. Thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all for the next one.